Uh, this essay is my lecture on astrophysics, or just physics in general. And I might warn you in advance that in 4 years of college and 4 years of graduate school and 4 years of postgraduate school, I've had no math classes and only one science class, and that was not in astrophysics. It was in geology, and it was just after the Jurassic period. So my educational background is limited when it comes to physics. But this essay is it's about the second law of thermodynamics, the idea of entropy, the idea that after the Big Bang occurred in 13.7 billion years ago, the universe was within a small particle, size of smaller than an atom. And then when the Big Bang occurred, everything that was in that little microbe expanded, and it's still expanding. And the issue is, in the second law of thermodynamics, is that we have a tendency to start with order and then move further and further away toward disorder. But that's not kind of the golden rule. It happens most of the time, but on rare occasions, there are moments called the Goldilocks moment, or threshold moments. And they are when something happens to this chaos, this entropy, and something happens to put kind of order to it. It changes the calculus to what's happening in the universe. And I don't want to go along examples of it, but there are numerous examples of when things change radically for, basically for us, as it turns out. And so this is the kind of the physics lesson, but it is also a lesson about how we need to run our lives. Our lives often wind up in chaotic existence sometimes. And the way that we can create Goldilocks moments for ourselves is up to us. And we can change the world in which we live. But it begins with each of us. So, appreciate your time watching, listening to my lecture on astrophysics and thermodynamics, but it is important that we learn something from the sciences. And this is an attempt to kind of trump the second law of thermodynamics. So I appreciate your time watching, listening to this video, and reading this essay. And take care.